Okay, so now I'm going to be soldering with this solder. I am going to be soldering with this lead into the components like this transistor, and I'm gonna plug them in and solder them. This PCB will be in like a car, and I have done a bit of them like around here, you see. And what I'm using to like hold it is these helping hands, and I will begin a time lapse of me soldering until the car is finished. And with that time lapse, you can see it is all finished. All the soldering and all of the wheels. They're complete. All you need to do is just insert the batteries, and then we can get it running.